How to change language in Lara Croft Relic Run. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are playing Lara Croft Relic Run and want to change the game's language, firstly open up the Lara Croft application on your device, and once you're inside the main homepage, go ahead and tap on the gear icon at the bottom right corner. This will open the options where you need to go ahead and select the language option. Choose the language you want to change to. After you make your language change selection, you'll notice the language change immediately on the display. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to change your display language setting in the game. So that's how you change your language in Lara Croft Relic Run using your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.